Good morning, children. Welcome to Max class. Class 5. Today I have an interesting topic. Chapter 3. Measurements. In term 1 and term 2, we have learnt about measurements of length and weight. Situation 1. Mary bought a new sweet box. The sweet box contains 12 pieces of laddu. Now we can tell that the capacity of the sweet box is 12 laddu. So we can tell that the volume of that sweet box is the space occupied by 12 pieces of laddu. Situation 2. Jyoti arranged her books in her school bag. Children, you are all ready to come to school? She kept 5 books in her bag. From this, we can say that the capacity of the bag is 5 books. With these two situations, we say that the capacity of a container is the utmost quantity of an item the container can hold. Volume of a solid is the space occupied by the solid. Capacity is volume. This jug has a capacity of 250 ml. The volume of liquid in the jug is 125 ml. The volume of the liquid needed to fill the jug is 250 ml. Now we are going to recall the object which has more volume. Look at the first one. Which object has more volume? The apple or watermelon? Can you guess it? Yes, it is watermelon. Second one. Which object has more volume? The first object or the second object? Yes, the second object has more volume. Similarly, we are going to tick the remaining sum. Let's arrange the given objects according to the volume. Children, we are going to arrange these balls in ascending order. Answer. In the second one, here, which object has less volume? Yes, eraser. Then sweet box. Then dictionary. And then suitcase. In the third one, here the pillow has very less volume. After that, sofa. Then bed mattress. And then last one, wooden cot. Find the volume by unit cubes. We shall measure the volume of solid objects using unit cubes. Unit cubes are cubes with dimension of length is 1 unit. Breadth is 1 unit. Height is 1 unit. The units may be centimeter or meter. Rubik's cube. 1 cube is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 units. The cube can be filled by 3 layers of 3 rows and 3 columns of unit cube. The volume of cube is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 units. Let us see formula for volume of cube. Side into side into side. Formula for volume of cuboid. Length into breadth into height. We shall follow the method of unit cubes to calculate or find the volume of the objects given below. The dimensions of the objects are mentioned. First object is book. Length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter. Hence, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. 10 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 10 into 6, 60. 60 into 1, 60. 60 cubic centimeter. Second object is pencil box. Length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter. Hence, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. 6 centimeter into 2 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 6 twos are 12. 12 into 1, 12. 12 cubic centimeter. It's exercise time. Exercise 3.2. Volume of regular solids such as cube and cuboid can be found by multiplying the dimensions. Complete the given table by finding the volume of the given objects. First sum. First object is notebook, whose length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 15 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter. Hence, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. 6 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 6 into 15, 90. 90 into 1, 90. So the answer is 90 cubic centimeter. 90. Second sum. Second object, gift box, whose length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter. This implies all the sides are equal. Hence, we are going to find the volume of cube. Volume of cube is side into side into side. 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 cubic centimeter. 1000. Second sum. Complete the table. Length is 80 centimeter, height is 20 centimeter, volume is 32,000 cubic centimeter. We are going to find the breadth. We know that volume is L into B into H, that is length into breadth into height. Hence, 32,000 is 80 into breadth into 20. 32,000 divided by 80 into 20 is equal to breadth. 1 0 cancel in numerator and denominator. Then cancel one more 0 in numerator and denominator. Now cancel 8 one time and 320 in 8 table 40 times. Now cancel 2 in 2 table 1 time and 40 in 2 table 20 times. Breadth is 20 centimeter. So the answer is 20. Second object is room, whose breadth is 4 meter, height is 3 meter, volume is 36 cubic meter. We want to find the length. We know that volume is length into breadth into height. Hence, 36 is length into 4 into 3. 36 divided by 4 into 3 is length. Now cancel 4 in 4 table 1 time. Then cancel 36 in 4 table 9 times. Now cancel 3 in 3 table 1 time. Then cancel 9 in 3 table 3 times. So the answer is 3. Length is 3 meter. Third one, find the number of bricks of dimension 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 10 centimeter required to construct a wall of dimension 300 centimeter into 200 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Solution. Given volume of the brick is 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 20 into 5, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 centimeter cube. Then volume of the wall. Volume of the wall is equal to 300 centimeter into 200 centimeter into 20 centimeter. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Remaining, how many zeros are there? 5. So 12 lakh centimeter cube. Number of bricks needed equal to volume of the wall divided by volume of the brick equal to 12 lakh divided by 1000. 1 0 cancel in numerator and denominator. Then cancel 1 more 0 in numerator and denominator. Finally, cancel 1 more 0 numerator and denominator. So the answer is 1200 bricks. Now activity time. Take some water in a beaker and mark its level. Take a solid, that is potato, and immerse it in the beaker containing water. What do you observe? Write the answer and send it to me. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.